It's broken. Is the quality of your cable tie not good? No. Watch the demonstration. Adult women pulling with her hands. Easy to break. Don't test the cable ties like this anymore. Let's test it with a machine. So don't simply test the tensile strength of the cable tie by pulling it with your hands anymore. The larger the width of the cable tie, the greater the pulling force, and even women can easily break the narrow cable tie. Please contact customer service in advance if there are tensile strength requirements.